In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean, automated process that routes tasks, notifies the right people, and keeps your project moving without constant manual effort. Start by heading to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to proceed. Once you're in, go to Home so you're starting from a clear dashboard. From here, open the project you want to automate. I'll click Project Timeline to jump into mine, but you can choose any relevant project. Inside the project, open the Workflow tab. This is where you'll define how tasks enter your project and what happens as they move from stage to stage. At the top, open the section labeled How will tasks be added to this project? This controls task intake. Under More Options, you'll see two key choices: Form Submissions and Task Templates. Use form submissions when you want people to create tasks via a standardized form, perfect for intake like requests or bug reports because you get consistent fields every time. Use task templates to stamp out recurring tasks with predefined fields, descriptions, and subtasks, so repeatable work is always created the same way. Next, let's shape the to-do section, where new work usually lands. Click into it. Use Set Assignee to automatically route new tasks to the right owner at this stage. Great for triage or a default lead. Add collaborators ensures key teammates are automatically added as followers, so they receive updates without extra steps. Open More Actions to fine-tune additional behavior for this stage, then explore trigger options. Triggers let Asana react when something happens. For example, when a task enters to do, you might set a due date offset, apply a priority, or update a custom field. If you need more flexibility, select More Triggers to see additional conditions and actions you can combine to match your process. Now scroll to the Completed section. This is where work ends, and it's a great place to automate cleanup and communication. Use trigger options here to close the loop. For instance, notify stakeholders when a task is completed, clear the assignee, or move the task to an archive project. Keeping this tidy helps reports and dashboards remain accurate. Finally, add section if your process needs additional stages, like in progress or review. Each section can have its own assignee rules, collaborators, actions, and triggers. Keep names clear and concise so everyone knows exactly where tasks belong. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, defined how tasks enter, set up smart rules in To Do and Completed, and added sections to mirror your real process. Your workflow is ready to run.